Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the CEARVOL Wave AI-powered hearing aids. Designed for mild to moderate hearing loss, all at a price that undercuts most traditional hearing aids. So let's open up the box and see how they work. Yeah, let's take a look inside the box. First off, here's all the paperwork it comes with. Check underneath. There's more paperwork. Instruction manual. And then at the very bottom of the box, you get your USB cables and aux cable and extra heads as well. Ear tips. Comes with wax guards and cleaners. Little brushes to clean it. And yeah, various accessories. And here are the earbuds themselves. So let's go test these out and see how they work. These hearing aids give you a ton of features such as feedback cancellation, noise reduction, speech enhancement, and even own voice reduction, which helps your voice sound more natural instead of overly amplified. It balances frequencies without over-amplifying them, and paired with a 24-channel WDRC compression, the Wave delivers surprisingly natural sound across the entire spectrum. And the biggest selling point is the NeuroFlow AI 2.0 algorithm. This is a next-gen deep neural network that handles real-time acoustic processing, which means that it gives you clearer and more natural sound, especially in environments where background noise usually overwhelms speech. And with its dual microphones, they help to pinpoint the sound source you actually want to hear. And the Noel's balanced armature speakers keeps voices crisp. There's also AI wind noise management that is a big deal if you spend time outdoors. It actively detects and suppresses wind noise in real time, so conversations stay clear even in breezy environments. And depending on where you are, you can switch between 4 different scene modes. Indoor for quiet spaces, outdoor for wind and traffic, restaurant for isolating nearby speech, and conversation for face-to-face clarity. These help make the Wave feel more like a smart device than a traditional hearing aid. The Wave supports Bluetooth streaming with dual device connectivity, so you can stay connected to your phone and laptop at the same time for more convenience. But if you prefer a more direct connection, there's also aux-in, which is perfect for TVs, in-flight entertainment, or older devices that don't support Bluetooth. And when using the free CEARVOL app, it lets you build a personalized hearing profile in about 10 minutes. You can fine-tune frequencies, adjust modes, and customize your sound on the fly. And the battery life is impressive. With just 15 minutes of fast charging, it gives you 3 hours of use, and you get up to 28 hours of total playback with the case. They are also IPX5 water resistant, so daily moisture or light rain won't be an issue. So if you're looking for hearing aids that blend AI clarity, modern connectivity, and real-world practicality, then the CEARVOL Wave hearing aids deliver far more than you'd expect at this price point. And so if you guys want to check them out, just follow the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.